Hi gang, so this is what your setup should look like. Notice by the blue bear you have a tennis ball. Notice you've got a calculator by the yellow bear and got some wires, and then you have by the red bear you have a CBR, and this is a rangefinder, and it's going to listen to how far away the tennis ball is from it, and it's going to give you data based on that. So what you're going to do once you have the setup is you're going to turn your calculator on, and it's going to think for a second, and it's going to call up this program called Easy Data. And if everything's working right, if you have everything connected, it should sound like this, and you'll hear like a little click. And that means everything's working good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start the tennis ball swinging back and forth. And once we have the tennis ball swinging back and forth pretty good, we're going to start asking this thing to collect data. So we're going to come back to here, and you'll see right below this is the zoom button, and we're going to push start. And it's going to say, yeah, do you want to do this? And we're going to say, yeah, sure. So under graph, we're going to push OK. And it's going to start collecting data. This is really pretty cool here. It's collecting it in real time. And you should have some data, hopefully, that looks something like this. Right now, it's transferring data. It's going to take it a moment because it's got probably hundreds of points to plot. And we're waiting. So there is what this looks like. Kind of cool. So once we get a pretty picture like this, we're going to go over here to this main, and we're going to push graph. Then we're going to ask it to quit, and then it's going to tell us where our data is. And we're going to say, well, that's cool. Okay, so we've quit the data now. So now we're just in a regular calculator function, and we're going to push graph. And then you'll get the same picture again. At this point, we're ready to see if we can't come up with an equation that fits all of these points right here. All right, well, that's it.